heading towards your last few games na against Ateneo, NU, and FPU. So what can you say about this performance this afternoon?
Of course, very proud sa ginawa ng mga players namin. And like as you said, we just want to carry on our momentum going into the playoffs. Kasi as we all know, yung isang game last weekend na-cancel. So medyo yung mga bata very excited to really play basketball. So we just want to continue and carry on our momentum. Especially yung next two opponents namin is Ateneo and NU, which is technically our also top two opponents na kasi sila by record sila yung third and second. So yun yung kailangan namin ipagtanda.
Thank you. To Kent, career high 35 points, 12 rebounds, 5 steals, 2 assists, 1 block, and plus 50. So, what can you say? Magandang panalo to. Like what I said, mabigat-bigat na yung mga laban nyo patapos ng elimination case.
I'm so happy lang sa performance ko today. And of course, yun yung sinasabi ko palagi din sa sarili ko na bibigay ko lahat ng makakaya ko sa team para manalo every game. And of course, as a leader, I will do my best palagi para makatulong din sa teammates or sa coaches ko. Yan.
Thank you.
Can you talk about yung mindset mo na lang? Kasi obviously yung UST nasa top and then yung UE wala pang panalo this season. But alam mo yun, parang very determined ka pa rin talaga nung pumasok ka sa court off the bench. Tapos mga best game mo pa to ever with a career high 35 points. Ano na lang yung iniisip mo nung kalaban yung UE?
Huwag lang magbigay ng parang hindi lang maging kampante kahit sino yung kalaban. And yun nga yung sinasabi din palagi ng coaches bago mag-start ng game na be complacent and yung composure sa loob ng court kahit sino yung kalaban. And yung disiplina namin sa sarili namin and hindi mawawala dapat yung effort namin sa loob ng court.
Coach, how does this kind of win help with the confidence po ng team, especially na yung last po nakalaban yung pinaka-bonus?
Like I said, yung sinabi ni Miguel, nire-remind namin, it's a different thing when someone is confident kaysa yung complacent. So, yun nga, be confident on what you do, pero kailangan hindi kayo complacent kasi ang kalaban ninyo, equally basketball players na naman. So, it will also carry on na syempre maganda yung pinakita, especially I think this is our best output offensively if I'm not mistaken. So in terms of offense, maganda, we want to carry that momentum and yung always ini-reach namin, like for example yung free throws namin tumataas na rin. And in terms of defense naman, we want to hold down our opponents regardless of kung sino yung opponents namin. We have our standards na I won't disclose na kailangan ganito lang yung points na ma-score or ganito lang yung turnovers namin and yung sa kalaban. So I think overall this game is a good moral and confidence boost coming on to battling against Ateneo on Saturday and then NU the following.
Ken Passet, career high, 35 points. Pero what's in store pa sa performance mo? Sa tingin mo ba may iangat pa itong laro mo? Especially nga, nabanggit na ni Coach, yung last 2 out of 3 games niyo against the top teams na gustong habulin kayo sa standings eh.
Personally, gusto ko lang i-improve pa yung defense ko. And siyempre, mas maging aggressive pa sa depensa kasi alam ko naman na mas doon ako kailangan mga teammates ko when it comes sa loob ng court. And
for the both of you, parang in the past few years, ito yung pinaka-dominante na UST so far na nakita natin. Kumbaga kayo talaga yung top undefeated pa. Ano po siguro yung nakikita nyo kakaiba or different ngayong year na to na yun nga, naglalabas kayo ng ganitong klaseng results?
I think siguro, not just this year, pero yung build-up rin kasi. We've gone through a lot of heartbreaks. I would say heartbreaks last year. So it's not just 1 year na mukha kaming dominant. Well, everybody is saying that. Pero of course, previous years, ang gold standard kasi NU, di ba, 7 sila. So technically, since sinasabi niyong everyone's saying dominant kami, we don't want to look at it that way na kami yung nasa top. Kasi hindi naman kami defending champion this season. So technically kami pa rin yung nag-ahabol. We have that goal But at the same time, gusto namin to stick to the process. So, whatever happens sa results, ang sinasabi namin, ang pinipitch namin sa players, don't think about, of course, we have a goal, but don't think about the results. Just think about the task at hand. Tapos tiwala sa sarili and sa teammates, sa coaches, to everyone. And once you believe, and then you do that process, the results will take care of itself.
Maubos na yung sabihin ko eh. Sabi na natin coach. Yan nga yung sabi din ni coach na hindi lang this season yung mas dominant. Kasi since nag-start ako sa UST, mas dominant naman. Pero yung goal namin is, yun nga, yung gagawin pa rin namin yung makakaya namin this season. Hindi lang kami nagbibigay ng, kumbaga hindi kami kampante na zero yung talo namin. Ginagawa pa rin namin yung best every game kung ano yung mas makakaya namin. And gusto pa rin namin mas ma-improve pa yung mga mali namin and maging mas malakas pa yung team namin this season.
Congratulations.